Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today's video is my full review of Drmtlgy. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. Also, if you are new here, I don't normally sound like this. I am very much under the weather, so I do apologize in advance. But I just got out of the shower and you guys have been asking for my review of the Drmtlgy products that I was sent a couple months ago. This is going to be my full review of the Drmtlgy products that were sent to me back in March, so I've been using these for well over a month. I have full reviews, we have some likes, we have some loves, and we have some meh. First up, I want to talk about the Drmtlgy Brightening Eye Masks, and I'll scoot to the side and pop up a little video of me using these 10 minutes ago. I put these on for 10 minutes. I do what I call my starfish. I don't know if anybody else uses their eye gels like this, but I love to use these as multi-purpose. They just give so much radiance and dew and just plumpness to the skin. I love using them all over, as you'll see in the little video. The masks, they're alike. If they were a little bit cheaper, I would probably call them a love, but I use some that are basically the same and they're a lot more affordable. If you have them, if you do get them, if they're on sale, or if you're picking up some of the other products that I love and highly recommend, then I think that you'd be happy with them. They are quite brightening, as you can see, and they also have enough serum on them that they stay on the duration of the 10 or 15 minutes you have them on, and there's plenty left to kind of really massage into the skin. They're quite cooling. They feel energizing on the skin. They're a great product. Solely based on price. They're not a love for me. Again though, if I go to repurchase one of these other items and or these are on sale, I would highly recommend. Next up, I'm going to spray my Tower 28 SOS spray. And then we're going to go straight in with the Drmtlgy Needleless Serum. And as you can see, I've used quite a bit through the duration of this 30 days. This is another one that's just okay for me. It's just a like. I do like that it is quite thin. It's not viscous at all. It's quite liquidy, but that's one of the things that I'm kind of iffy about. I don't feel like it does a whole lot. I do notice a little bit of plumpness and a little bit of radiance, but there are some that I like better, and it doesn't seem very hydrating to me. I like a serum that gives me a lot of glow, luminosity, and helps to also moisturize the skin. I feel like it goes straight into the skin, and it like my skin drinks it up super quickly. It is not a bad product. I don't get any kind of reactiveness or anything like that to it, and I do have very dry, very sensitive skin, very reactive skin, so it's a like. I don't think that I would personally repurchase it. Next up is the Pre-Cleansing Oil. Gently melt away makeup, excess oil, and buildup. This I don't like. I'm gonna get close, and it's actually leaking onto my hand. It is very thin. It's not kind of a rich, luxurious cleansing oil. I'm also someone that prefers a balm, kind of a more thick, dense balm versus an oil. It does the job. It absolutely does the job. And if you like a kind of less viscous, very kind of liquidy, watery type of oil, you would love this. It does what it's supposed to do. I have shorts and stuff like that up using it. It does what it's supposed to do. I just don't like the texture of it. It's just too thin and too watery. I mean, it's literally all over the bottle. Luckily it locks. I'm gonna put my little towel up here. I just want to show you guys how watery and liquidy this is. It's I completely missed my towel and it went all over my brushes over here. Not a bad thing, but yeah. It is incredibly watery. I do not like that. Even the first time that I used it, I think very visibly you guys could tell that it kind of shocked me a little bit. But yeah, and it doesn't matter if you shake it up. It's a liquid. It is straight up liquid. Now, I don't know if that is how these always are. It's a no from me. I'll continue to use it. I will use it up, and I'm appreciative to have been sent it, but it's the one product that I actually don't like. Next up are my holy grails. These are two that once I get down on product, I'm going to repurchase them, and these are the two that I highly recommend to you guys. I am obsessed. I love them. First up is the Drmtlgy Universal Tinted Moisturizer SPF 46. This product right here, I have been loving it so much. I'm just gonna show you guys very quickly. Hopefully you can tell in the lighting. I may have to turn the light down. I've been getting a lot of sun. Hopefully you can see the difference in the color of my neck and my face versus my arm. If you can't tell on camera, I won't know either. I'm in front of a bright light. But when I'm editing, I'll add an image if you guys can't see it on the screen. This works so well. It is so incredibly beautiful. It looks like just a basic tinted moisturizer. And it looks like it's gonna have some tint. So if you have deeper skin than me or lighter skin than me, you're probably like, oh my gosh, that's not gonna work for me. However, when it blends into the skin, there is zero color. No color whatsoever. Very, very hydrating. It doesn't have kind of that classic beachy, coconutty, very strong SPF scent to it. It's a very light, almost earthy type of scent. That's the best way I can describe it. There's no coverage, there's no tint or anything like that. There's no flashback if you put makeup on top of it. And I'm bringing up the fact that I've gotten some sun recently because we have had many 80+ degree days. I've been out to the gun range, we've been outside, we've had, you know, gatherings and stuff like that where I've been outside. And you can very clearly see how dark my arms and my shoulders are compared to my face. I have not burned using this, and I've been using it the entire time. No irritation, no reactiveness. It looks stunning on the skin. But if you have oily skin, you can see that it's just a little bit of voluminous quality. It's not oily feeling, which I absolutely love. And I even said this kind of in my first thoughts and stuff like that it's not very often that products like this and the next one that are kind of universally friendly. So them calling it universal tinted moisturizer, like they hit the nail on the head with this. Fantastic product. I absolutely love it. It layers beautifully with makeup. It wears so well throughout the day. And again, I've gotten a lot of sun through the duration of this 30 days. I love it. I love it. It is very much on par for me with my all-time favorite, which is the Super Goop Glow Screen. Highly recommend. Would 100% repurchase. It's fantastic. It is a fantastic product. The last product that was sent to me, and another holy grail, is the #1 primer. It says Blur and Prep Skincare Meets Makeup Pore Blurring Face Primer. And I'm gonna go ahead and say the main reason, I'm so sorry you guys, the main reason that I love this is because, for me personally, because I do have very dry, very sensitive skin. I have a lot of texture and stuff like that. Normally, my skin type and blurring primers are not a match made in heaven, honey, okay? This is stunning. And I don't know if you can tell, I've used it every single time I've done my makeup. And I also use it when I'm not using makeup because I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get up close. It has a beautiful, thin, gel-like texture to it, which I really love. A lot of these can be a little bit too thick. They can pill on me and they do not look good. They settle in my pores and cause more texture and make it look absolutely horrible, and they dry my skin out. This does not do that. So I'm going to show you in real time. That is what it is looking like. And I'm going to do one side of my complexion. And I only put this in the areas that I have so much texture at and very large pores at, which for me is right here. And I hope I can very visibly see it in my mirror, but hopefully you guys can see that. You can see the difference here. My pores are very visible. You can very visibly see the texture. And when you put foundation on top of this, which I'm not doing, I mean, I'm going to bed, which I'm not doing right now, but you guys, it's beautiful. I also used this on my niece for her prom a couple weeks ago, and I am happy to report that her makeup lasted the entire night, and she was outdoors and it was 86 degrees that night, and she loved her makeup. I love this product. It stays hydrated, it doesn't dry my skin out, it doesn't ball up, it doesn't pill or anything like that. I've never used a more blurring type of primer that does this on my skin. I do not like blurring primers, period. This is fantastic. This is another one that if you do have oily skin, I feel like this is very universal. I feel like if you have oily skin or dry skin, if you have very sensitive, reactive skin like myself, you guys see I have a lot of rosacea and uneven skin tone and things like that. It just looks gorgeous, you guys. So I'm rating this a 5 yellow hearts. I'm rating the Universal Tinted Moisturizer a 5 yellow hearts out of 5. The eye patches, I'm going to give them a 4. If they were just a little cheaper, or when I repurchase these, if there's like a little discount code or something I could use, I would repurchase them. The needleless serum, I think I'm going to give it like a 3.5. It just doesn't hydrate. It brightens and illuminates and stuff like that. I just don't notice any deep hydration like it kind of claims to have. And then the cleansing oil, I'm going to be nice and I'm going to give it a 2.5, 3 out of 5. The component's great. I like that it does lock. It's just too watery and too liquidy for a cleansing oil, in my humble opinione. I feel like I've talked enough. My throat's hurting now. So I'm going to hop off, but hopefully this gives you guys an idea. I did want to update you guys. I know some of you have been asking. I say, especially on those two products, man, Holy Grail status, and it takes a lot for me to call something Holy Grail. You guys, I try a ton of makeup, a ton of beauty products, a ton of skincare products. These two products, literally, they're the cream of the crop, in my opinion. I love them. Cannot rave enough about them. Thank you to Drmtlgy if they ever happen to see this. Thank you to them for gifting. Thank you to you beauties for watching and supporting. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.